what is the topics. Here the exact chapter wise weightage in terms of marks for TS chemistry may vary each year. However, here is a general indication based on previous trends. Here you know that the first physical chemistry. Here in the physical chemistry the atomic structure is there, here 3 to 4 marks, and chemical bonding and molecular structure 4 to 5 marks. States of matter 2 to 3 marks. Here see children, states of matter 2 to 3 marks. Chemical thermodynamics, 2 to 3 marks. Solutions 2 to 3 marks, and equilibrium 4 to 5 marks. Redox reactions 2 to 3 marks. Electrochemistry 2 to 3 marks. Basic concepts in organic chemistry 2 to 3 marks. Basic concepts of organic chemistry, this is the most important chapter, here 2 to 3 marks. Hydrocarbons, 3 to 4 marks, and organic compounds containing halogens 2 to 3 marks. Okay children, here organic compounds and containing oxygen 3 to 4 marks. Here organic compounds containing nitrogen 3 to 4 marks, and polymers 1 to 2 marks. Biomolecules 1 to 2 marks. Chemistry in everyday life, that is 1 to 2 marks.